Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Bluetooth headphones. These are wireless earbuds with 47 hours of playtime. Wow, that's awesome. That are sport earphones with LED display on the charging station, as you can see. IPX7 waterproof earbuds, built-in mic. It's a headset for sport, running and workouts. And it comes with up to 47 hours long battery life. The twin Bluetooth headphones can provide 7 hours continuous using time. The built-in 800 mAh charging case supports 5 up to 6 times of recharging for both earbuds. It gives us up to 47 hours continuous music time. We will never worry about running out of power. And we have individual LED power display. The sports Bluetooth headphones charging case equipped with LED power display. It shows remaining in percentage from 1% to 100. Every wireless earbud have separated power consumption indicators, so we can master the best time to charge it. 4 grids in total. Each grid presents 25% of power for the wireless earphones. During charging, the LED indicator light is flashing. Once the earbud are fully charged, the LED bars of the earbud have no light flashing anymore. And we have Bluetooth 5.1 and CBC 8.0. Adopting advanced Bluetooth 5.1 wireless earphones provide faster transmission speed, stronger connection, stability, and longer range of Bluetooth experience than the Bluetooth 5.0 are out there. A built-in noise cancelling mic, CBC 8.0, makes us experience a whole new world of crystal clear phone calls. The true wireless HD stereo with rich bass, equipped with advanced chip with AAC audio codecs. The Wolf wireless headphones delivers professional tuned immersive crystal clear sound with a silky treble, smooth mid and punchy bass at any volume. We can enjoy our music everywhere, even in a loud environment. And IPX7 waterproof for sports. The Wolf wireless earphones boast IPX7 rated protection that defends against liquids in any weather conditions. No be worry free from the sweat, heavy rain or spilled liquid, and enjoy the high quality music anywhere at any time. Great choice for running, jogging, hiking, yoga, exercises, gym, fitness, traveling, and. Bluetooth 5.1, 47 hours of playback time, LED power display, ergonomic design, auto connection, IPX7 waterproof, ENC for calls, and voice assist, and 47 hours playtime with dual LED display, 7 hours single charge, 40 hours charging case. And we have an automatic connection. It's really easy to connect. For the first time pairing, you get the Bluetooth menu on our device, and we will choose the Q11. The earphones will auto reconnect to the device connectivity records. And that's it. We have 2 options of power on. We open the lid, power on earphones. Option 2, keep pressing MFB for 2 seconds, with red and blue lights flashing alternately to power on if the case is not at hand. Power off, put the earphones into charging case and thus close the lid to power them off. Option number 2, keep pressing MB for 8 seconds with red light flash to power off. Job's done. For a more secure fit, we hold the stem and firmly push the earphone hook down. We change the ear tips if necessary for improved comfortable wear, the best sound quality, and noise cancelling performance. And after the first pairing, we have an auto connection. We can reconnect it while we are getting out the earbuds out of the case. Earphones charging is really easy. The QR11 earphones are automatically charging while seated in the case with the lid is closed. And of course, we have to charge our charging system at after 40 hours. We charge in the use case with included a cable and our DC 5 volt 1 ampere adapter. Personal computer USB port or other DC 5 volt, also compatible devices like in smartphone AC adapter, for example, or an USB power adapter too. No prop for it. They're in socket built in today. If we have the function of it. For music, we press X1, either earphone for pause and play, of course. We press 2 times, the left earphone for previous song, the right earphone for the next time. If there comes an incoming call, we press either earphones to answer a call and to end a call. A long press will reject a call. If we go to Siri Voice Assist or Google Assist or whatever Assist, long press for 2 seconds, the right earphone to activate Siri or as a compatible voice assistant, and the volume adjustment. The left earphone to reduce the volume, the right earphone to increase the volume plus. No prop. 3 times of pushing, and the reset mode is to reset it to default. If the earphones cannot be connected to the mobile device or the left and the right earphones cannot be connected normally, we take out the earphones from the charging case and tap the left and the right earphones MFB 2 times simultaneously to make sure that the left and the right LED lights indicators are flashing red and blue. Then the earphones will successfully reset. Job's done. We have an ergonomic design with suitable ear tips, round soft silicone ear hooks, flexible rubber, waterproof headphones can offer more wearing stability and comfort while using. We can use mono or twin model. We can wear 2 gym headphones to enjoy the wonderful world of music. We can also wear 1 earphone to pay attention to the surrounding environment. And we have Wake Up Voice Assist. Long press either wireless running earphones to activate our voice assist, such as Siri, Google Assistant as well. The voice control of our phone without lifting 1 finger. And we can see the remaining battery of each earbud. After successful connection, we can easily check the battery level of the Bluetooth wireless headphones on our phone's top, right corner, or Bluetooth settings interface. And of course, if them docked into the charging station, we can check it over there. And we open the charging case and take out the wireless Bluetooth headphones. The headphones will connect each other automatically if it is paired only 1 time before. That means auto pairing. For the first time, we have to pair it. After this, job's done. Then it will pairs automatically if we are let them out of the charging case. This is really easy and awesome because this is the Bluetooth Headphones Wireless Earbuds with 47 hours of playback time. Sports earphones are really nice for running. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.